Okay, so this is our BDI machine, which is part of the SeaQureWeld system. What we do here is we take the bead off any weld that happens on a pen. So when the weld happens between two sections of pipe, it creates a bead, and that bead is stripped off, and then we test that bead. And by testing that bead, it gives us an indication of whether the weld in the pen or sinker tube or whatever pipe it is that we're doing is fit for purpose. So what this machine does is we feed the bead into the machine, we lock the machine off, and what this machine is doing is it's trying to tear the bead apart, and it's trying to look for any imperfections or gaps in the weld in this bead. So this pulls through the whole system, and at the end of running this bead through, it's linked to an app on your phone, and that links into a database that we've got in an online system. And this tells us, for this particular weld on this particular pen, whether the weld's good. It tells us the machine that was used to do that weld, the person who did that weld, the location, the weather at the time, the batch numbers of the material that was used. So it provides absolutely full and complete traceability for the weld in the pen. And that's that bead run the whole way through the machine now, and the machine's indicated green to tell us that this weld that this bead was taken from is good and meets the requirements of the pen build itself.